number 1. Now I got happy. Okay, we didn't save the other video, so we gotta do it again. Henry, first attempt at trying to eat dog food failed. So now we're making it easier. He just has to nibble on one piece of dog food.
If I can.
Are you ready?
No, I am not.
Open your mouth. No homo. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Eat. Chew. Chew. I'm gonna be here. Chew. Chew. Let me show the camera. Show the camera. Wait. Good boy. Eat and swallow. Eat and swallow. Eat and swallow. We know you love to swallow. Open. Nice. Good boy. That's what we like for Jordo.